Hi there, so today I'm going to be talking about our incredible knot hat. It has some amazing features and benefits and perfect for that newborn phase and the first year of life typically. It has this incredible knot at the top which is just gorgeous, but you can actually undo the knot and then move it down to make the hat a little bit smaller for your newborn. So if your baby's head's a bit smaller than average, you can move that knot down and then you can move it up to fit the baby's head comfortably. It comes in a number of sizes and it comes in these beautiful colorways I have here today. So we've got this lovely white that's going to match back with pretty much anything. Then you've got your baby blue, you've got your gorgeous grey marl, the baby pink, the pink tree print, the blue tree print, and then we've got the grey stripe. So there's one to match back with any outfit. And of course this beautiful grey tree print that I have here today. Now you're looking for natural fibres when dressing a baby because they can't regulate the temperature as well. And this one's perfect because it's a basic organic cotton interlock fabric. So it's not too heavy, not too light, perfect for most temperatures as well. Apart from winter, when it's very cold, you might want to get a beanie. And then of course for summertime, a broad brimmed hat to protect their head from this harsh Australian sun. But you're definitely looking to choose a basic knot hat for most of the year. And this is perfect for going in and out of the house, perfect for air conditioned environments and things like that. Now, if we're wanting to put the hat on this little one, we're just going to make sure that it fits comfortably around the circumference, which I'm going to do now. Now, this little baby's head is roughly a 3 to 6 month head size, so a bit bigger than a newborn. But as you can see there, that fits really comfortably on that little one's head, and it's fitting nice and firmly around and covering the ears if we'd like. So it's a beautiful style to be wearing. We do need to remember, however, whenever we're dressing our little one in a hat, that we always remove the hat when a baby is going to go to sleep, just so they can regulate the temperature more easily. Babies, for the first year of life, really can't regulate the temperature very well. They haven't fully matured, so it does take a while for them to learn how to do that. But it's also really important that they've got an open fontanelle at the top of their head, so it's really important that the heat can escape to the top of their head when they're sleeping so they can regulate their temperature more easily. So that's how they're going to regulate, is through the face and through the top of their head. But of course when they're out and about, and because they don't have much hair, it's important to put a hat on to keep them nice and comfortable. Now you're looking for those natural fibres not only because it helps them be able to regulate the temperature more easily, but it actually helps to absorb the sweat and keep them feeling comfortable. And then also just nice and soft, no harsh chemicals, resilient, so it's going to wash up beautifully, going to last and last. And as we said, this one is adjustable, so you can move that knot down where you need to. And you're going to be looking for items that are going to be resilient so then you can pass them down to future babies. So I hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit more about our incredible knot hat and some of the great features and benefits today. Thank you so much.